I'm gonna go to app chat. I'm in app chat now. So if you go to call and then you go to app chat, then when I'm recording, then
I know how to do it.
Yars.
Only people in the app can hear me, but I can still hear you in the call if you go back into it.
Yeah.
I can still hear you, but you can't hear me. Okay, buddy, you ready to film?
I'm already recording. I'm just waiting for you to get up there.
There you go. Come up. Now, time to be a helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter, sinopopter.
You got stuck on a branch again.
Time to be a helicopter for real. Helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopters don't get stuck on branches.
They get stuck in the air, that's what happens.
Yeah, they get stuck on the air, not on branches.
They get stuck on mountains or on trees. They can't get stuck on trees. All they have to do is just crash. Okay, you ready? I'm aiming away from that tree.
Wait. Okay, I'm ready. Aim towards me.
Makiba,
He went up the slide.
That's so funny. That is so funny.
Take them.
I'm on. Switch. Makiba. Hello, dog.
Now I shall show you what it looks from the perspective of the helicopter.
I'm trying to video you. I'm videoing you with the dog. They're judging. Or at least this one is. Oh, it ran away.
Okay.
Thank you. No. You hit the branch. You hit the branch and you almost got on the slide. Okay, give me tag.
Then you gotta do it again because I hit the branch. I hit the branch, so I have to do it again until I don't hit the branch.
I'm videoing you and we're judging. I'm not actually videoing, but this is judged. But they're judging. Yeah, you made that perfect, but you missed the slide. Okay, give me tag. Bro, I just got a slide out of pure luck. I got a slide out of luck. Ready? Let's see if I can get it again. Okay, dude, you ready to see if I can make it again on slide? I'm almost up. Oh god, no.
Wait. Catch the other Doug. Mrs. Doug.
The girl boy.
The green one is the new one. The blue and purple one is the old one.
Is Doug and he's new. And he's not new. Been
Yeah.
here for a while.
Doug's been here for
Matt the
couple
Bat has a
days.
girlfriend as well.
What?
Yes, Matt has a girlfriend as well.
There's another bat.
Yes? They all have Valentines. Okay, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Yoink! Lucky bat. I might hit the thing again. I almost hit the Did I hit the slide?
No, you were so close though. So close.
Did I hit it though? No, did I hit it?
Yeah, you hit it off the side of it.
Oh my god, I got so close right there.
Wait, I'm gonna let's go find the bat or battery acid and his girlfriend. So this is Doug right here. No, this is Doug. This is Doug.
I know.
This is his girlfriend.
And the green one is his girlfriend.
Okay.
We still don't have a name for him.
Well, there's Doug, but me and other people were thinking of a name like Pug or
Also,
Mug.
My friend wants me to join a code called. Wants me to join a code which is C.
Oh my goodness, it's so festive down here. I'm kidding, it's not. Why are the ropes orange? Why are we orange?
I don't know.
Oh. Got one.
There's the girlfriend.
Okay, now we gotta find the bat.
Green. Battery acid. Or Matt. Wait.
K9
Wait,
calls
I know.
him battery acid.
It's just like just like Doug and his girlfriend. If you wait somewhere, then Matt will come straight toward you. Wait, why do I have a feeling that these red lights are like ways to escape? This water's all red. I hear him. You have them both. There's normal Matt or battery acid, and there's his girlfriend. Now,
Yeah, there's
the
the one with yellow eyes and then
like
green eyes.
I don't like this blue, I don't like this outline. At all. Get rid of it. I'm getting out of here. Also, quick tip for in here. Up on the top of this heart is like a cheat sheet to get on top of there. It's a freaking cheat sheet.
Up here?
No, you can go on the other side and anywhere else.
Oh.
It's a literal
over
cheat
here.
sheet.
Over here.
It's quite literally a cheat sheet. It's quite literally a cheat sheet.
I don't know. I had to come get some.
Because you can get over there by doing this.
Let him go.
Okay, did you know that little? You see that little ice spike right there?
Mm-hmm.
That is the crack from the ice lake, which means the ice lake is melting.
Wait,
Finally, that outline is gone.
ice lake?
Do you not know?
The ice lake isn't here because the lava,
Oh,
the
look.
volcano.
Well, when it was here, then that crack was right above it. Which could have signaled a new mines update. Now, let's go do it again. Now tag me. Thank you.
My
Get this one
balloon
recording
is
out.
gone forever.
Wait, no it's not.
You know, I gotta hurry and potty.
Just unequip it and re-equip it. Okay, also.
Ooh.
Wait, why do I hear Matt? Okay, did you get the part where I went on this, or did you get did you record all of them? Especially the one where I went on the slide.
I'm still recording. I've been recording this whole time.
Stop. Ready? Let's see if I can do it again. Ready?
Wait, I'm trying to hit my balloon.
You have terrible aim.
Oh, I caught it.
Now to shoot it. Let it go. Let it go. Just shoot it like never before. Ooh, that good shooting. Okay, I'm gonna have to get dressed in. Hurry, look. Please don't hit the branch. I missed it. Let's go. I went straight past the branches. I went like straight in between them. Why don't you mad?
Do you want to end the video here, or do you want to just keep going
Yeah,
over
let's just
random
end the video
things?
here.
Okay.
Let's end the video right here because I have to go.
Okay,
for
come on.
baseball practice.
Hurry.
I have to go get baseball.
Come on. Oh, ow.
Are you trying to have a baby?
No.
Oh, you're having target practice? I need to take this hat off. Hey, wait,
Did you forget you had it on?
Hey, stop. Love you.
I love you too.
How was school?
Good. School was amazing. I'm kidding. It was good. No, it was just good. Just good.
Would you like a face reveal? For me? Like 100,000 likes on the video that we just did, and I'll do a face reveal.
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
The face
I've
reveal
already done
military.
one. I've already done one in previous videos on accident.
In
But-
real life?
Yes.
In real life?
Yeah.
Real life?
Yeah.
Well, I already know. I already know what your face looks like, so.
Okay.
Ding, ding.
Well, I hope you
Wait,
enjoyed today's video.
What if when we hit 100,000 likes, we do like a face reveal of me? Like a face reveal of your. Wait, are we best friends or just normal friends?
No clue.
Best friends then?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. And we can do like a we can do like a face reveal for me.
Yeah.
For like a face reveal of your YouTube channel best friend. Of your YouTube channel's best friend.
Mhm. Okay. Well, everybody,
That
I
would
hope
get a
you
lot of
enjoyed
views.
today's video.
Yeah.
You'll do a face reveal if we get
100,000 likes and I'll do a face reveal.
yeah. Okay. Well, have a good day
Not my
and
mouth,
or night.
not in growth.
I'll see you in the next video. Bye.